right, up, down. Side to side. Breathe in, breathe out. And no scare fish.
When am I gonna learn how to punch?
Better learn balance. Balance is key. Balance good, karate good, everything good. Balance bad, better pack up home. Understand?
Yeah, I understand. Hey, you ever get into fights when you were a kid?
Plenty.
Yeah, but it wasn't like a problem I have, right?
Why? Fighting. Same.
Yeah, but you knew karate.
Someone always know more. Learn how to punch. Learn how to keep trying. No!
To these young children, the mothers and fathers of tomorrow, we have a creation story where people come from the islands to the mainland, where we were promised an abundance of land and food for the future generations. What promise do we have for them today? With the things going on around the world, we can't run away from our truth. Our realities, our mortality. Because when we're born, we begin to die. And we should honor every day the sun rises and life enters the land.
Inhale the breath of the ancestors, and you get to see through the eyes of the ancestors how it was. Where are we going? This world is a living cycle, a cell of life, an embryo of time in this universe.
And we too carry our loved ones in our heart. Those that we remember, our grandfathers and grandmothers and our brothers and sisters and friends. We're not here forever, you know. Life is but a moment. And here we are, gathering to appreciate nature's beauty and maybe our hope.